Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rajesh Patra Tech. Today we are discussing about 5S, which is very important to manufacturing industry as well as personal life. So please go through 5S. As you know, everybody, so what is the importance of 5S? So we discuss about this question like that is why 5S is required. जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं 5S की आवश्यकता क्या है and after that and very important question is that what 5S is necessary for the automobile industry, manufacturing industry and personal life. इन हिंदी में उससे बोलते हैं क्या नेसेसरी है ये अपना पर्सनल लाइफ के लिए या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए एंड लास्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज हाउ 5S is required. कैसे 5S की आवश्यकता है अपना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में और पर्सनल लाइफ में. So let's go to the answer of this question we are discuss in next slide. As you know, everybody, the 5S origin from. Everybody will be clearly know that, and everybody knows about that 5 is derived from who is country and who is manufacturing sector. Okay, as we also are saying that 5 is origin from the Toyota production systems, which is linked to Japan and mid 20th century. But previously we have the question about that why 5S is required. So first of all, we go to the first question and answer this question is 5 is the system for organizing the space so work can be performed efficiently, effectively and safely. That means guys clearly says that why 5S is required. 5S is required for organizing the space of work can be performed efficiently, effectively, and safely. That's why 5S is required. Then second question is what is necessary of 5S? And the answer is 5S is necessary on 5S is necessary that system focus on putting everything where it is belongs and keeping in the workplace clean. That means 5 is necessary for that focus on putting everything where it is belongs or keeping the workplace clean. And how it is required. That means how 5 is required. 5 is required for easier for people to work, easier for the people to do the job without wasting time and that risking injury. So guys, you are clear about the three question says in question last slide. Okay, as a clearly 5 is abbreviation. What is this? And Japanese and as well as English language also. First is clearly says that Sairi, that is Japanese word, and English meaning is the sorting. That means eliminating that which is not needed. And second one is Satan. That is that is after completion of 5S abbreviation, we go to the benefits of 5S. If we are not doing the 5S, what will be harmful to us? First of all, and if you go through the 5S, what will be benefits to us? First thing is reduce the cost. That means if you're not doing the 5S, cost will be increased day by day because of wastage is there. That's why cost increase day by day. And second one is higher quality. Means if you are not doing the 5S, the quality standard will not be met. I think so. Quality standard will be not be met properly. So we should go through the 5S every day and every time and every hour of the production manufacturing. And third one is to increase the productivity. If you're doing the 5S, how can productivities increase? Some guys you have the question about that, but uh, somehow any guys clear this answer, then how can we increase the productivity? So comment me about that. But according to me, we are doing the 5S, then enhance the productivity of these simply greater employee satisfaction. Fourth one, that is the benefits of 5S, improve safety as a safer work environment and higher equipment availability and lower defect rate and better asset utilization. So guys, that is the 9 benefits will we get after doing the 5S. So guys, you have to think, if you are not doing the 5S, it make a problem for us as per cost, quality, productivity, employee satisfaction, safety, equipment availability, defect rates, and better asset utilization. So guys, how important 5S is? According to me, you have to do 5S every time of the working process. And after that, we go through the one by one where abbreviation is completed, but uh, one is, two is, three is, fourth is, and fifth is. So first, say, says the sorting. Saving the sort throw all the item in a location and removing unnecessary item from the location. That means previously I clearly said that sorting is the process. If you are required anything, required anything, this will be placed for us. Otherwise, if not required, yeah, unnecessary, This item are not be put your workstation and workstation. And goal of and after that and go through the goal of sorting. Reduce the time losses looking for an item by that reduce the numbers of items. Second one is reduce the change of the destruction by unnecessary items and increase the amount of availability useful space, increase the safety by eliminating obstacles. Clearly 4 point clearly said that if we are doing sorting, if we are doing sorting, then what will be useful for us? That is to reduce the numbers of items in place around the workplace and not uninterrupt unnecessary, yeah, unwanted items. Then third one is amount of available and useful space. That means clearly said that if we are not place unwanted things, then space will be clearly available. Then last one is the increase the safety by eliminating obstacles. If we put if it sorry increase the safety by the eliminating obstacles. That is a clearly said that. And second one is cite and set an order. That means set an order is to put in all necessary items in a optimal space for useful their function in the workplace. That means those things are necessary to us. These are placed on proper place according to prioritization. Which one is very useful to us? This will be close to us. Which one is not uh, necessary, rare necessary for us? Then that will be far to us. According to this prioritization, we help to go through this, and that is the goals of that. Goals says that make the work flow smoothly and easily. If you're working on a this culture in this condition, so simply workflow process is very smooth and easy to work. So second S is complete. Then go through the third, that is the say so or sign. Say so is a sweeping or cleaning and inspecting the workplace, tools and machinery on a regular basis. Signing means every guy knows about the signing means to clean the workplace. But according to 5 ways tool or methodology, sign means we have to clean the workplace, tools, machine on regular basis. That means sign. It says that. And what is the goal of that? Goal says that improve the production process efficiency and safety, reduce the wastage, prevent the errors and defects. If the second one is to keep the workplace safe and easy to work in, keep the workplace clean and pleasing to work in. When in the place, anyone not too familiar to environment must be able to detect any problems 15 minutes in 5 seconds. That is the benchmark. It says that 15 minutes in a 5 second. That clearly says that if we are obey the rules of 5S. That means we are obey the first S, obey the second S, obey the third S. Then any new guys are coming to workplace, no difficult to work because everything is placed in proper place there, and as well as everything is placed is proper place. So, so guys, means signing means signing means we have to clean the workplace as well as machinery and tools on regular basis. That benefits us. Uh, let's discussion about this topic on TPM activities. Okay, in related to this sign is TPM, what will be happens there? So next, SECS2, that is standardize. SECS2 is the standardize the process used to sort the order, clean the workplace. That means clearly says about that where the follow the 1S, 2S, and 3S. That standardize the process about what we have done before this. That means what we have, what we are doing on first days, what we are doing on second days, what we are doing on third days. So in fourth days we have to standardize these assets, and what the goals estimated, producer, and schedule to ensure the repetition of these first three as practice basis. Standardize means you have to do daily. You have to do daily. So that we can say that 1S, 2S, and 3S are done. Otherwise, if you're doing 1 day and 2 days as labs, then third third day you are doing the process. That is not a standardized form. Standardized form means that you are doing daily basis. Simple like example, suppose we are doing a morning work at 6 a.m. and 1 day is done morning work, but after 2 days you are not doing. That is not a standardized form. If you are doing morning work daily basis, it's a standardized form. So in like that, in manufacturing unit you have to do 1S, 2S, 3S daily, a regular basis. Then it can be say that that is the standardized. After that, final one, guys, that is the final one, which is called final one that is called Sisuke. That means sustain. Sisuke is the developed process by the self-discipline on the workers. That means it clearly says that is the approach is followed like documentation. Your guys are one thing is that everybody knows about the check sheet. In that purpose, we are doing all these things. Check sheet is the sustain document. That means we have to sustain. How can we the sustain this process? Go through the check sheet because we are doing the daily basis. Yes or not, we are tick there. If we are not doing the, you have the cross about that. But we are doing the daily basis. We have the cross on the check sheet so that sustain is a process all about the discipline, nothing else, just a discipline. That means yep, that is the discipline only. You have to self discipline on this workplace, and workers. Goals of this sustain is that ensure that the five-phase approach is followed. How can we follow the five-phase process? That is the make a we are making the check sheet and like that the document is standardization form. So it's all about clear about the five A's and what is the goal of that, why we are using this five A's, and what if you're not doing the five A's, what is be loss for industries and as well as personal life. So lastly, yeah, last slide, we have to say that very important moral of this five A's. That is, five is often summarized by the philosophy. That means clearly here says that moral of these five is a place for everything and everything in its place. That's my quotation about that. Guys, you are how good is this quotation? According to me, five is summarized on one word, that is a place for everything and everything its place. Okay, guys, thank you all about this appreciation and like and subscribe the Rajesh Patra.